Hey everybody, this is Paul, and today I'm going to talk about lithops, or lithops as some people say. I know it as the split rock or the mimicry plant, but they are kind of hard to grow, for more difficult on the scale of succulents in my opinion. But when they bloom, it's really beautiful, really rare. You can see they're small, lots of them. I missed this blossom here, and then one bloomed over here too. See it? So very, very cool plant. And they're kind of difficult to grow. The reason why is because most people kill them by over watering them. So I'll zoom out a bit here, and you can see that I got this as a gift, and I don't know the exact variety, but either way, it's blooming and it's happy. Now early on, what happened is, you can see here there's some dead ones. There's one, two, I think there are 3 or 4 more here. And what happened is they died probably because of over watering. So literally, when I water these plants now, I only water like right here a tiny bit. You can see I just watered it, and right here. And so the reason why I do that, is because if they get any water on these lithops, or I call them lithops, I call them split rocks, but if they get any water, it killed them. So I used to spray this whole thing like once every 10 days maybe, and it sits in a low sun environment. And within a few weeks, these just you can see they got overwatered and died. So now I just literally drip a tiny bit of water on this plant and on these guys, and that's it. So less is more with these beautiful, stunning little succulents here. So again, less is more. I literally do not water them at all, and you can see how happy they are now. So we'll see how, when in the winter rains come, I may keep it out of I may keep it in the garage, just because I don't want them to get overwatered. So my strategy in Southern California is literally to never water these, and they came in here, so it must be well-draining soil with a lot of rocks, and they're doing great. So I hope to have some propagate soon and fill in here, so we'll see. Alright, give us a like and a subscribe. Take care, have a great day, and remember, less is more with these plants. And if you don't water them, you'll get beautiful blooms. And again, I keep it in I'd say it only gets about 3 hours of sunlight, 4 hours of filtered sunlight per day. And they do really, really well. I used to have them in full sun and they died. So there you go. Take care. Dude, it's creepy.